Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So recently it was announced that they wanted to set up a new aviation industry in Jamaica. It's called MRO, which is Maintenance, Repair and Overhaul of Commercial Aircraft. Now they were planning to, or they are planning to set up an area at the Sangster International Airport for this. But the Vernamfield International Airport or the Vernamfield Airfield in Clarendon would be perfect for this kind of service. And when they were putting together the proposals for reopening the Vernamfield Airfield, MRO services was one of the projects that were put forward, along with other services for the area. So this is definitely something that can work in Jamaica. So we're going to give you more information on this new industry and why it would be ideal to set it up at Vernamfield. Now, Vernamfield has the longest runway in Jamaica. It was built during World War II, and the US aircraft operated from there, the bombers, the big planes. So it has a very long runway. Now the runway is still there, but the base has been closed. It closed shortly after, or a few years after the war ended, the Second World War. So ever since, well, recently the government has been trying to reopen the Vernamfield airfield. And a lot of different projects have been put forward, but none have actually started. So we're going to tell you about this one, the MRO service. Jamaica has a unique opportunity to transform the historic Vernamfield Airfield in Clarendon into a regional maintenance, repair, and overhaul center for commercial aircraft. Rather than competing with the island's international airports for passenger traffic, Vernamfield could specialize in servicing and repairing aircraft, creating a new high-value aviation industry. Aircraft MRO facilities carry out everything from routine inspections and engine maintenance to major structural repairs and aircraft modifications. Airlines from across the Caribbean and the Americas constantly require these services, yet many aircraft are flown to facilities in the United States, Central America, or Europe. A modern MRO operation at Vernamfield could allow Jamaica to capture part of this growing market. The site has several advantages. Vernamfield offers a large amount of flat land for hangars, workshops, training facilities, and future expansion. Government planning documents have long identified the airfield as a location for aviation industries, including MRO, cargo logistics, flight training, and an aerotropolis. More recently, the government reaffirmed plans to develop the Vernamfield Light project, which would rehabilitate the existing runway as the first phase of the wider vision. An MRO industry would create hundreds of skilled jobs for aircraft engineers, technicians, mechanics, avionics specialists, inspectors, and logistics professionals. It would also encourage partnerships with universities and technical institutions to train the next generation of aviation workers, positioning Jamaica as a regional center for aerospace skills. While significant investment, international certification, and airline partnerships would be required, an aircraft MRO hub at Vernamfield could diversify Jamaica's economy beyond tourism and strengthen the country's ambition to become a major aviation and logistics center in the Caribbean. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.